This is the main gate, and this is the temple of this ashrama.
This is very prestigious and old center.
ওপরে বিবেকানন্দ অডিটোরিয়াম, নিচে জেনারেল লাইব্রেরি। এখানে
This is wonderful library. Sanitation is proper.
The main gate is on the side, and this is the second gate. And here there is a free medical center.
आइए आज हम आपको रामाकृष्ण मिशन का स्किल डेवलपमेंट सेंटर विजिट कराते हैं।
The ticket price is 40. Let me see. 40. You can see the timings here. Exhibition.
রামকৃষ্ণ মিশন ফ্রি টিবি ক্লিনিক অ্যান্ড মেডিকেল সেন্টার।
Ramakrishna Mission TB Center is developed since 1835.
Right now I am in the office of revered Secretary Maharaj Swami Sarvalokanandaji Maharaj. I actually want to hear something from him.
I took over charge of this prestigious center of Ramakrishna Mission, that is Ramakrishna Mission, New Delhi, in the month of May 2023. This is very prestigious and old center. Already this center has crossed 97 years. 2027 we are going to celebrate centuries of this ashrama. The objective of the activities of this ashrama is focused on the preaching of Vedanta and Holy Trio, that is Ramakrishna, Ma Sarda and Swami Vivekananda. It has been doing this preaching work for a long time. Undoubtedly, it has produced very effective result in spreading the ideas of our Sanatana Dharma. Many stalwart Swamijis were the secretary of this institution. Mainly, I would like to name Swami Ranganathanandaji. All of you know he was a great scholar and orator. When he was here, he used to attract all section of people to his class, and particularly scriptural class. And Swamiji was sent to 27 countries by Government of India as a spiritual ambassador of India. At that time, he preached Vedanta philosophy in the Western countries, and it produced permanent impact on the Western people. We are also doing the same thing here in the ashrama. But last year, one great event has been added to the activities of this ashrama, and that is Durga Puja. Earlier, Durga Puja we used to do in photo, but not in image. Last year we did elaborate Durga Puja in image as we do in other centers, particularly in Belur Math. And the many people, devotees, were very much happy that long awaited Durga Puja has been performed last year, that is 2023, in the month of October. Another thing we have started, or you can say the new activity, that is a school of languages, foreign languages as well as Indian languages, and it is named after Swami Ranganathanandaji, the School of Languages and Cultural Center. I hope this ashrama will continue to preach the Vedanta philosophy, which is very lofty philosophy. Apart from this preaching work, we conduct Gadadhar Prakalpa Coaching Center and Computer Training Center. We have another kind of work, that is running TB clinic for 90 years and general clinic for 20 years. I would like to conclude the introduction of Ramakrishna Mission Ashram, New Delhi, with a Vedic prayer, that is Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina, Sarve Santu Niramaya. Let all be happy, let all be healthy. Namaskar.
মেইন টেম্পলে ওঠার জন্য এখানে একটা মেশিন লাগানো আছে, এটা কিন্তু একটা লিফটের মতো কাজ করে, একজন একজন করে বসে। এখন যিনি চালানোর সে ভদ্রলোক নেই। এই যে চেয়ার, এই চেয়ারটা সোজা নেমে যাবে যারা বয়স্ক, এবং এটা রিমোটে কাজ করে। যারা বয়স্ক এরকম স্মুথ নেমে যেতে পারবেন, বা ওঠাটাই আরও বেশি প্রবলেম হয়, এভাবে উঠে মন্দিরে চলে আসতে পারবেন। এটা খুব সুন্দর একটা ব্যাপার। ওই যে মেন গেট থেকেও মন্দিরটা স্ট্রেট একদম খুব সম্ভবত রামকৃষ্ণ পরমহংসকে দেখা হচ্ছে। সেকেন্ড গেট, মেন গেটটা ওই দিকটাতে আছে। সেকেন্ড গেটের ঠিক পাশেই এটা হচ্ছে দাতব্য চিকিৎসালয়, আমরা যেটা বলি স্বাস্থ্য রক্ষণ সিদ্ধা ওপিডি আর জয়েন্ট ইনিশিয়েটিভ অফ CCRS MOA আর রামকৃষ্ণ মিশন। এই যে ওই পাঁচটাতে লাইব্রেরি, স্টাডি রুম, আর এই যে এখানটায় ফ্রি মেডিকেল চেক আপ চলছে। এটা দিল্লির বিভিন্ন জায়গা থেকে লোকজন সব আসেন এখানে। ডক্টর সব আছেন তো এখানেও ডাক্তারবাবু আছেন। হোমিওপ্যাথি ট্রিটমেন্ট হিয়ার। ওপরে বিবেকানন্দ অডিটোরিয়াম, নিচে জেনারেল লাইব্রেরি। এখানে জেনারেল লাইব্রেরি মানে কিন্তু গোলপাক রামকৃষ্ণ মিশনে আমরা যেমন বিশাল বড় একটা লাইব্রেরি দেখেছি, ওখানে বিভিন্ন কলেজ ইউনিভার্সিটি স্টুডেন্টরা প্রচুর সব পড়তে আসে। ভীষণ এনরিচ একটা, ভীষণ সুন্দর একটা লাইব্রেরি। এটা দেখলে কিন্তু খুব অবাক হতে হবে, সারাদিন লাইব্রেরিটা ওপেন থাকে এবং যারা স্টুডেন্টরা আসে সবাই ওই IAS IPS এরকম হওয়ার জন্য সবাই UPSC প্রিপারেশন নিচ্ছে।
Sanitation is proper and the library is very good. All books you gather here, all the materials you take from here and prepare for an exams.
And how many students are coming every day?
Approx 150 students come every day here.
100 plus.
100 plus. Okay.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, आइए आज हम आपको रामाकृष्ण मिशन का स्किल डेवलपमेंट सेंटर विजिट कराते हैं। आइए हमारे साथ। तो ये एंट्रेंस है और हमारा सेंटर न्यू दिल्ली के अंदर है, बहुत प्राइम लोकेशन पे।
ठीक।
इसकी जो लोकेशन है वो रेलवे स्टेशन से भी पास है और ये मेट्रो स्टेशन के बिल्कुल करीब है। अगर आप आ रहे हैं तो यहाँ पे रामाकृष्ण मार्ग मेट्रो स्टेशन है, वहाँ से आप इजीली सेंटर विजिट कर सकते हैं। आइए, तो सबसे पहले हम विजिट कर लेते हैं कंप्यूटर क्लास। आप देख रहे हो ये है लैब 1। आ जाइए मेरे साथ। और यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं, जैसा आप देख रहे हो। कंप्यूटर से रिलेटेड डिफरेंट कोर्सेज हम कराते हैं। उसमें डाटा एंट्री ऑपरेटर, एडवांस एक्सेल, टैली, ऑन डिमांड अभी कोडिंग और वेब डेवलपमेंट के कोर्सेज भी स्टार्ट होने वाले हैं।
একটা ল্যাব আমরা দেখলাম, এটা হচ্ছে সেকেন্ড ল্যাব, কম্পিউটার সেন্টার ল্যাব 2। তো এই দাদা আমাদেরকে সব বুঝিয়ে দিচ্ছেন, শুনে নিই আমরা।
और ये है हमारी लैब 2। स्टूडेंट प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं। काफ़ी सारे स्टूडेंट्स हमारे पास पूरे दिन में आते हैं। 4 बैचेज हम रन कराते हैं।
4 বেঞ্চে। একটা জিনিস বাকি আছে এখানে এই বিল্ডিংটাতে, সেটা হচ্ছে রিডিং রুম। রিডিং রুমটা আমরা দেখে নিই। রিডিং রুম किसके लिए মানে
हाँ, रीडिंग रूम हम जा रहे हैं, लेकिन वहाँ पे ज़्यादा आपको डिस्क्राइब नहीं कर पाएंगे क्योंकि वहाँ स्टूडेंट पढ़ रहे हैं। लेकिन आप लाइव वीडियो शूट कर लेना।
हाँ, हाँ।
बॉयज और गर्ल्स दोनों के लिए अलग
रीडिंग रूम तो लाइब्रेरी में भी वो होता है।
वो जनरल लाइब्रेरी है, ये
हाँ।
एसी रीडिंग रूम है।
एसी।
यस।
इसका चार्जेस क्या है एसी रीडिंग रूम का? मंथली 1000। और वो बोला जनरल लाइब्रेरी
800 ईयरली चार्जेस
800 ईयरली। ठीक।
नॉन एसी है। इसके लिए
वो तो जस्ट स्टडी रूम बॉयज।
और गर्ल्स के लिए हमारे पास सेपरेट रीडिंग रूम है। आ जाइए।
ठीक।
ये गर्ल्स रूम है। इंडिविजुअली स्टूडेंट्स को हम इंटरनेट फैसिलिटी भी देते हैं। वाईफाई कनेक्टेड है। स्टूडेंट सुबह 8 बजे आते हैं, फिर रात के 8 बजे तक कंटिन्यू स्टडी करते हैं।
स्वामी रंगनाथानंद इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ लैंग्वेजेस एंड কালচার। রঙ্গনাথানন্দজি মহারাজ আমরা জানি প্রেসিডেন্ট মহারাজ ছিলেন আমাদের এক সময়। এটা হচ্ছে ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ লার্নিং ক্লাস। দিল্লি রামকৃষ্ণ মিশনে যে দুর্গাপূজাটা হয় সেটা এবার দেখিয়ে দিই। এই যে বিল্ডিংটা, এটার এই দিকটাতে সেক্রেটারি মহারাজ বসেন, আর এই দিকটাতে হচ্ছে ম্যানেজার মহারাজ বসেন। আর এই যে বেদিটা আছে সামনে, এটা পার্মানেন্ট বেদি করা। এই আমি যে জায়গাটায় হাঁটছি লনটা, এখানেই সব ভক্তরা বসেন। আর এখানে মায়ের পুজোটা হয়। মায়ের পুজোটা আমার এই ক্যামেরার দিকে মুখ করে মা বসেন। এই যে বেদিটা খুব সুন্দর একটা বেদি করা। আর এই লনটাই হচ্ছে ভক্তদের বসার জায়গা হয়। কখনো আসার সৌভাগ্য হয়নি আমার। আর এই যে মন্দির, এই মন্দির, ওই মাঝখানে ডাইনিং হল, মংস কোয়ার্টার, আর এখানে হচ্ছে মায়ের পুজো, মায়ের বেদি। এখানে প্যান্ডেল হয়, এখানে পুজো হয়। এই মন্দির আর এই ডান দিকে সেন্ট্রাল লাইব্রেরি যেমন দেখিয়েছি। তো exhibition, you can see exhibition or some kind of exhibition. The ticket price is 40. Let me see. 40. You can see the timings here. Exhibition 9:30 to 11:30, or in the evening 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. 3D shows also are available, and you can see the timings here. Okay, ठीक। The vision of Sri Ramakrishna. Things are written here. You just pause the video and read. He who knows the real sees in Maya not illusion but reality. He who knows not the real sees in Maya illusion and thinks it real. Wow, great saying by Swami Vivekananda. अमन यही तो एग्जीबिशन है। हाँ हाँ हाँ। द बॉय वंडर, द वर्सेटाइल जीनियस। पूछ लीजिए ना महाराज को।
आपने पूछ लिया ना?
हाँ। इनक्रेडिबल स्वामी जी। ये स्ट्रक्चर, ये टेम्पल का स्ट्रक्चर, दिस स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द टेम्पल हियर। Bilay the boy. See the house, nicely made. Not a portrait, even a house, a structure. It is Bilay. Swamiji's childhood days. The first ecstasy. Oh, so nicely painted. You can see the Scottish Church College here, established in 1830. The Scottish Church College, excursion, the poem, Presidency College, and here Professor William History. Sri Ramakrishna and Swami Vivekananda. At the feet of Sri Ramakrishna, the ardent prayer, Jaima, and so many other things are there. Wandering monk, touch and explore the places. Tata gets inspired. We all know that Swamiji inspired Tata. Here, a statue of Swami Vivekananda. Oh, very nice. Bronze statue probably. This one also. What is this? A 3D?
यार मूवी है, बैठ दो कंटिन्यू में।
Father, the sacrifice has to be done, right? So, to whom will you give me?
LNJ Vilvara Group's homage to Swami Vivekananda financial support for this exhibition. This is a very nice exhibition indeed. And here we saw the 3D video, 3D, and there also, and straight in that room, exhibition is there, video exhibition is there. You please come and experience this exhibition. It's a really nice thing, and you will miss it if you don't come and visit here. If you come to Delhi, then surely visit. It takes only 40 rupees for maintaining all these things. Ramakrishna Mission Free TV Clinic and Medical Center. This is the building. So many activities are on. This is the building. It is working. Ramakrishna Mission is working here since probably 1941. So many years have passed. More than 80 years have passed. See the board, Ramakrishna Mission Free TV Clinic, Medical Center, many departments. 1 RJ Samaj Road, Karel Bagh, New Delhi 11005. Phone numbers are here: 28757608, 9711276395. You can call and then come here. So many departments. The activities are on. See, let us see what are the things they are doing and how many departments are open now at noon. It is almost 12:30. Okay. These are the rooms of the first floor. Here. Counter. Here. It comes to an end, but let us see all the activities inside the building.
Ramakrishna Mission TB Center is developed since 1835, and it was a pioneer when no treatment was available in Delhi. Ramakrishna Mission was providing drugs to poor TB patients, and there was a sanatorium upstairs also. But when in 1996, Ramakrishna Mission is again pioneer for the trial of RNTCP drugs, and in 1998 again NTP was established and Ramakrishna Mission was providing drugs to poor patients. And over the course of time, the Ramakrishna Mission has come to that extent that not only drugs, now it is providing ration and financial help to the poor patients. Swamiji had given this food packets since 2011, and financial help also has been given. During the COVID times, for 2 years, Swamiji had given laptop to the children of TB patients and to the students which were taking medicines from our center. And not only this, they were taking regular classes on weekly basis to teach them how to use the tablet and how much progress they have done with this. We are doing ACSM activities. Under that, painting competitions and sensitization program in the schools, in the areas, in the masjid, around the areas, I mean adjoining areas over here, in the parks. These activities nearby hospitals, these activities we are doing regular basis, and around the year we are doing.
This is the TV center. Wait. Patients are treating you.
देखो बेटा, इसमें ना ये जो चेस्ट होता है ना, इसमें एक्सरे में कोई इन्फेक्शन होता है, कोई बीमारी होती है, चीज़ें सामने आ जाती हैं, ठीक है। इसको देखने में आपका वाला इसमें कुछ ऐसी बात नहीं आई है सामने, लेकिन इसमें थोड़ा सा अल्ट्रासाउंड में जो रिपोर्ट है उसमें लेफ्ट साइड में थोड़ा सा पानी का डाउट है।
This is the dental department. No admission without permission. Things are here. All the activities are going on. Says facilities, doctors. So the activities treatment is going on. And, this is another part. Dental department. और ये तो इम्पोर्टेंट मशीन्स है. So, ma'am, you say something on the activities of Ramakrishna Mission.
Yeah, we at Ramakrishna Mission, our dental departments is doing all the necessary dental treatments here. Our root canal treatments are being really very fruitful. All the extraction procedures, surgical part, implantology, and plus the orthodontic procedures are being done here. And the patient input is very good. The footfall of the patient is really good, and we're doing good, satisfactory treatment here.
Then
Rendering.
how many patients are coming in a month? Just approx for an idea.
In a month, approximately, कितना है patient input हमारा?
Maybe 500, 1000 or something like that.
2000.
2000.
2000?
And it's totally free of cost or?
No. It's not free of cost, but we are rendering services at very nominal charges.
Pathology laboratory.
मैम आइए बैठिए, ये हमारे टेक्नीशियन है, हमारे डॉक्टर हैं।
You are working, you are testing or what? What are you doing here?
I'm a lab technician.
Lab technician. And we are here to know about the activities of Ramakrishna Mission in Delhi, and that's why this video. This is a branch center of Ramakrishna Mission Delhi, and we just want to hear something from you.
We have a full-fledged pathology laboratory doing all basic as well as advanced tests, biochemistry, hematology, fine needle aspiration, cytology, serology, cultures. We do everything. So. We hormonal studies. So we collect samples every day. We are working every day, Monday to Saturday, and we give the reports the same day in the evening.
Same day.
Yeah, same day in the evening. From 4 to 5 is the report collection time. In the morning we collect the samples, and as you can see, there are various machines over here. We do all our testings. Various parameters are done here, and we have a good patient load. And I hope that this video helps to increase our patient load, that we get more patients. If this information is disseminated more far and wide.
Then give me a kind of rough idea how many patients you are serving in a month.
See, it depends on the,
Just roughly,
roughly it is around 40 to 50 patients a day. But sometimes, like, see, when dengue is much more prevalent, there are more cases of dengue, then the case load increases around
40-50 per day.
And but if in case like we have, it's a dengue season in Delhi, so then the patient load might cross 60 also. So average it is around 40 is the average which we have every day.
And then how cheap it is?
It's very cheap.
And reports are accepted all over Delhi in any
even,
hospital.
Even AIMS.
Even AIMS.
Even
We have many
AIMS.
patients
So after
for
that we
that.
don't.
Yes.
Nothing to say after that.
You
Sharing.
can get the photographs of the
Of the machines.
Yeah.
Okay, only photographs. Do you want to say anything on these machines? Because we don't have any idea. Na, common people.
Thyroid profile,
Hormones,
all the
basically.
hormones basically, and vitamin D.
Ticket counter of dental clinic, and activities are on. Let's say. They are treating so many patients every day. Okay, then you have already said that you have come from France, and what's your name?
Corentin.
Prahata.
Yeah, you can say. I have another name. Is easier? Arjuna.
Arjuna.
Arjuna is easier, I think.
Okay. And then for how many days you are here in India?
For like 2 months. We are going
Like
to
2
stay 2
months.
months. And we
How do you
arrived
like India?
a few days ago. It's really intense. Many different things.
Many
Yeah.
different things.
Yeah.
And you have seen the cultures of India from different parts of India.
Not yet.
Different cultures.
No, we are for now. We have just seen New Delhi,
Oh.
and it's really intense already.
And what about this Ramakrishna mission?
Yes.
How much do you know about this Ramakrishna mission?
Not so much. We saw the place on the book, and I know a bit about Vivekananda from.
Only for some minutes you are here in this evening.
Yeah.
Only you have passed some minutes.
Yeah. For like I don't know, for 30 minutes or 40 minutes, I have been here.
Okay. And
For
did
the
you have any kind
arrest.
of experience of this sort in France or in any European countries?
Yeah, in an ashram.
This kind of ashram, have you seen in Europe, in any country?
Yeah. I have seen another ashram in France.
In France?
Yeah, but different. I would say different Swami, different monk are there.